Your performance today. Okay.
Oh
Oh no. Okay, what's that? What does she has? What does she have?
no.
I
I have I have a bed.
bag.
I have a bag. It is full.
It is small. Wow, Melo.
I
So cool. Go, I
I
have
I have a bed.
bag.
I have a bag. It is all.
Small. It is small. She has a bag and it is small. Wow. Next one, please. How about this? Wow, the girl is pretty.
I have a hat.
I
It
have a hat.
it is big.
Wow.
I have a hat. It is big.
Yes. Good job, Mello. Wow. That's the real Mello, right? That's the real you. That's how you read. All right, what's this? You're so quick. And then
I want to have a lollipop. I want to have I want to eat it.
you want to have a lollipop, and then you look at you. You have a lollipop.
I have a lollipop.
Ca-
Candy.
candy.
I have I have a candy. It is fruit.
E
Sweet.
sweet
I
sweet.
I have a candy. It is sweet.
Yes.
No,
Next
no,
one. More, more, please, more,
boy.
more.
I'm almost to the end.
Almost to the end. Yes.
Because
In
I waited so fast.
yes, you are, and you are smart. I'm missing that smart boy. And now he's coming out of the shell again. And here he goes, everybody. Let's listen to him.
But when we went to the end, it's gonna be hard.
When you went to where? I
I have a plant.
apple plant.
Has a flower.
Pl- pl-
Let's go.
Yay!
Let's go.
Again.
Go, 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 go.
Again.
Let's go. Let's go.
I like it. Now come on, get up, get up, get up. Get up, smarty boy. You're almost to the end.
I have a plant. It has a flower.
Yes. Good job. Wow. How about that? Who's that?
I want to watch it.
Oh my, Merry Christmas.
This was
Merry Christmas. Ready?
I
Go. Have. I have. What do you have? What does she have?
Lord.
I have a sound
Lord.
O. Oh,
I have I have a horse.
a
It is
horse. It
long.
has
It has a long tail.
a tail. It has a long tail, Melo. Yes, I'm so proud of you, Melo. Come on, smarty boy. What's your song from school? What's your song for me today?
I
Do you have any song for me today?
have a sound tail.
What's that? What's that? Let's finish this one first. Let's read again. Melo, it's your turn to read again.
My sound tail is I buy this in the grocery shop.
Next time, you bring me with you, okay? You bring me along.
But I am in Saturn. So why
It,
in go to Saturn? I'm in Saturn.
you are in shuttle. I'm going to shuttle after this class, okay? Go.
Okay.
Okay, so
Okay.
go. I have,
I have a horse.
I
It
have a horse.
is it has
Has
a long tail.
long tail. Yay, good job. You're amazing, Mellow. Wow. What about that? I think this is Mellow. I think this is you. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think this is you.
I have a short.
Toy.
I have a toy top. It is a
Ah.
one. Red.
Yes. Oh, amazing.
So the
Good. So
so the one.
cool.
So the
Okay.
one. So the one.
Again. Again. What do you have? And what color
I
is it?
have a short toy top. It is a red one with top.
Yes. So cool. Wow. So
Okay,
good. So
mommy.
good. How about this one? Oh, did you just eat an apple? Yeah. Or you just eat
What
a cup of noodles?
I
Or a bowl of noodles?
I had
I have
I have an apple.
an apple. What it is?
It,
What is it? It
it
is.
is red.
It is red. Have you eaten a green
Ah,
apple?
it's a green apple in Guam though.
Yeah, in Guam. Okay. And
But
how does it taste?
but I eat it in don't know when I'm in Guam. It's apple day and I taste the apple and it tastes good.
Well, it tastes good. It tastes
we
good. And
got
an apple.
just start with the red. We got start in the red apple.
Uh-huh. And
Then
let's read
the
again.
yellow apple. The yellow apple. The green
Okay. So come on.
one.
Get up and let's read
The green
again.
one.
What do you have?
Rainbow one and the green one again and the rainbow apple too.
There's a rainbow apple?
Yes, I eat
Where do
the
you
rainbow
buy
apple.
that?
I don't see it. I
I
just
don't see it.
I
Okay, now
just
let's.
which read.
Okay, please read. I have.
I have an apple. It is red.
Yes, so cool. I have an apple. It is red. Good job,
Have
huh?
one.
Yeah. And this is the last. This would be the last.
I
Ready?
will wait. I will wait for my mama.
You can read this. Your mom can hear it. Just read it louder. What does she
That is
have? Yeah, you can shout it so your neighbor can hear that you know how to read it.
but 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 my but the two boys sleeping though
Oh,
up up those
then we should read,
quietly.
okay, in moderate sound. So, Mellow, what does she have? I have, I have, what now? I have a pen. It is blue. Now it's your turn. Again,
I
Mellow.
I had I had a I have a pen. It is blue.
Yay! It is blue. Hey, you have a pen. Where's your pen? I thought you were holding a pen earlier.